Hello everyone, welcome in the module Orthographic Projection Part 1. In last couple of lectures, we had seen projection system, orthographic projection, different types of planes, first angle and third angle projection method for drawing orthographic projection and their symbolic representation and precedence of line rules for drawing orthographic projection. Now in this video, we are going to see some problems related to the first angle projection method. This is the object which is provided for drawing the orthographic views. We have to draw three views of the object by using first angle projection method. So the orthographic projection means we are converting 3D object into two-dimensional drawings. And first angle projection method means we are keeping the object into first quadrant for drawing the different views of the object. The different views are like front view, top view, side view. In the side view, left hand side view or right hand side view depend on the object. So whenever the 3D object has been given, that object is provided with the directions x or direction y. So here the direction x means front view direction, whereas direction y means top view direction. So in this problem, the object has been provided with direction x. This direction x means front view direction. Sometimes objects are provided with y direction. So y direction belongs to the side view direction. Sometimes both direction x and y will be given, so the direction x will be for the front view and direction y will be for the side view. So now in this problem, for given 3D object, direction x is provided. So ultimately this will be the direction for the top view. So whenever the observer is located at the top or observer is looking from the top side of the object, then the view is called as a top view. And as in this object, we are going to see from the left side of the object or left side of the front view. That's why this direction is called as side view direction. But as we are looking from the left side, so it is called as a left hand side view direction. So as per the first angle projection method, on the right side of the front view, the left hand side view is located, and on the left side of the front view, right hand side view is located. So as we are going to see from the x direction, so this direction is for the front view. Similarly, as I said, so this will be the direction for the side view, and ultimately from the top side will be the direction for the top view. Now let us see the front view of the object. So if we consider that the observer is located at x location, then here observer can clearly see this particular portion of the object as it is facing towards the front side, as well as this particular portion of the object. Though there is a slot has been made, but through that slot also the observer can see. Now while drawing the orthographic projection of the object, we always consider that the observer is located at infinite distance from the object, so that we will get the parallel projectors, and that projectors will be perpendicular to the plane of projection that will be located here for the front view. Now from the front view, we can easily see, or observer can easily see this particular portion, as well as observer can see this particular portion. So the front view of the object will be look like this. So this is the front view of the object. As I said, this particular portion is visible and this particular portion is also visible. So both portions are shown in our front view. Similarly, if we go for drawing the top view of the object, then if we consider that the observer is located at the top portion of the object and it is looking towards the object, in that case, now observer can see this L portion of the object, and through slot these two rectangles of the object. So both rectangles are visible through slot, and this L portion is visible if we consider the observer is located at top view location. So if we go for drawing the top view, then top view will look like this. So as I said, this L portion is visible as well as these both rectangles are visible. Now from the left side of the front view we are viewing towards the object, so the side view is called as a left hand side view. And if you go for drawing the left hand side view of the object, now in this case if we consider the observer is located at side view direction, so this L portion is clearly visible for the observer, as well as through slot these two rectangles are also visible. So observer can clearly see this L portion, as well as observer can clearly see these two rectangles. So if you go for drawing the side view of the object, then it looks like this. So as I said, this L portion as it is here, and these two rectangles are look like this. So now, as per the rule that we have seen earlier, so we have to rotate the horizontal plane on which that top view get projected by 90 degree in the clockwise direction. So we are going to rotate this top view by 90 degree in this direction, so that front view and top view we can draw on a single plane. Similarly, this side view also we can rotate by 90 degree in this shown direction, so that on a single plane we can show the front view, top view and side view of the object. As we are drawing this orthographic projection by using first angle method, now for this particular given example, the orthographic projection will look like this. So first we have to draw the XY line. This is the intersection line for the vertical plane and horizontal plane. Then above XY line, the front view is visible. Then below XY line and exact below the front view, we have to draw the top view. And then on the right side of the front view, the side view is visible. So why the side view is on the right side of the front view? As we are drawing the left hand side view of the object. So in the first angle projection method, the left hand side view is always located on the right side of the front view, whereas right hand side view of the object is always located on the left side of the front view. Now in this video we are not going to see how to draw with dimension, but just we are going to see how to identify the front view, side view and top view directions, as well as how to identify the shape belongs to that front view, top view and side view. So we are just learning how to identify the different views from the object if a particular viewing direction is provided. Now let's see another example. Suppose this particular object has been provided with front view direction. While drawing the front view, this rectangle is visible, the front rectangle or front portion of your object. Then this blue color portion is also visible, this is the removed portion, because this portion made because the some portion from the object get removed, and because of that this particular portion is also comes under the front view. And third portion is this portion. So this portion is also visible in your front view. So if you go for drawing the front view, so this front rectangle, then this rectangle, and this is the remaining particular shape that is shown in the blue color should come in our front view. So as I said, a rectangle, this rectangle is related to this one, then this top rectangle is related to this, and then remaining portion is this one. So like this your front view will look like. Now if you go for drawing the top view, let us see how to draw the top view, or which portion comes under the top view. Now in the top view, this rectangle is visible. So observer can clearly see this rectangle. The observer is located at top view direction. Then this green color portion is also visible. So this portion is also visible. So only these two portions are clearly visible in our top view. But there are some edges which are hidden, or which the observer can't see directly, but the edges are present. So that edges are the edge which passes through this point. The edge which passes through this point like this will be the edge which we can't see directly if the observer is located at the top view direction. So this edge we have to show by using hidden line or dotted line. So the edges which can clearly seen, that edges are shown by using continuous dark lines, whereas the edges which cannot be seen directly, that edges we have to show by using hidden lines. Now let's see how the top view looks like. So this is the top view of the given object. Now in this top view, this rectangle is related to this one. So this is the rectangle directly visible to the observer. This green color portion is this one, so directly visible to the observer, and the edge which is passing through this point in this particular direction, so like this edge is not visible to the observer from the top view direction. So this edge we have to show by using hidden line, or it is also called as the dotted line, and that dotted line is shown right here. So that dotted line is related to that particular edge. So like this we can draw the top view of the object. The things which cannot be seen by the observer directly, that all things we have to show by using dotted lines. Like in the top view, this dotted line is related to the edge which cannot seen by the observer directly. Now for the side view, so for side view the observer is located at left hand side of the object, as the side view direction is this one. So this yellow color portion is directly visible to the observer. So observer can directly see this yellow color portion, and there is no any surface or no any portion which observer can see directly. So only one surface is present which is directly seen by the observer when the observer is located at side view location. Now if you observe the complete object, there are two different edges which cannot be seen by the observer when the observer is located at the side view. So first edge is the edge which pass through this particular point in this direction. So it will be like this. And second one is the edge which pass through this particular point vertically down like this. So the two edges cannot be seen by the observer directly, so that two edges we have to show by using hidden line. Now in this particular portion, the edge, vertical edge is this vertical edge. This is overlapping with the continuous line or object line which is located right here. So as per the rule of precedence, if the object line and hidden line overlap on each other, in that case we have to show only object line. So in this case, though the hidden line and object lines are overlapping on each other, then also we have to show the object line or continuous line only. So let's see how the side view looks like. So side view looks like this. As I said, this portion is directly visible to the observer, and the edge which is passing through this point in this particular direction, this edge is not visible, so this edge should be shown by using hidden line. Similarly, this edge is also shown by hidden line which passes through this particular point vertically down. So there are two edges which cannot be seen by the observer. That two edges are shown by using hidden line. Now if you go for drawing the orthographic projection for this object, so first you have to draw the XY line. Then above XY line the front view is located, and front view looks like this. Then below front view the top view is located, and the top view is below XY line. And then as we are drawing the left hand side view, so on the right side of the front view the side view is located. It looks like this. So left hand side view. Now consider this third example in which front view direction has been shown. Now in this example we have to draw the front view as per the shown direction, then the top view when the observer is located at top, and the left hand side view when the observer is located at the left side of the object. So let us see one by one how to draw the front view, side view and top view. First we will see the front view, how to draw the front view. Now if you observe the front view direction, then this front portion is directly visible to the observer, and then remaining two portions which are not visible to the observer and should be drawn with the hidden lines. So these are the two portions which are not directly visible to the observer and need to be drawn with the hidden lines. Now while drawing these portions with the hidden line, first we consider the rectangle. So in this rectangle, this top edge and left hand side edge is overlapping with the top edge of the visible portion and left hand side edge of the visible portion. So as per the rule of precedence, no need to draw this portion with the hidden line because this is overlapping with the continuous line. Similarly, for this bottom portion also, the top edge, then left hand side edge, bottom edge, then right side vertical edge, and then bottom edge. This particular portion is overlapping with the visible portion this much. So again here also, as per the rule of precedence, we have to show this portion by using continuous line only or object line only. So no need to draw this portion with the hidden line. So now which portions we have to draw with the hidden line? So only remaining portion of the hidden surface. So from the rectangle, this right hand side vertical edge and bottom edge need to be drawn with the hidden line. Similarly, for second surface, only right hand side edge need to be drawn with the hidden line. So there will be three edges which have to be shown by using hidden lines in our front view. So let's see our front view. See the front view. So as I said, three edges we have to show by using hidden lines. So this L portion from the vertical rectangle and this particular edge related to the second hidden portion from our object. So this is related to the particular edge and these two edges are related to the rectangle. So these three things we have to draw with the hidden lines. Now let's see the next view. Top view. Now if you observe the top view, in the top view the green color portion is related to our top view. So if the observer is located at the top view location, so in that case this particular portion is visible to the observer directly. This rectangle is also visible to the observer directly. These two small rectangles are also visible to the observer directly. Now which are the edges which are not visible to the observer directly? So there are some edges. One of the edge which pass through this particular point in this direction. So I will change the color so that you can easily identify that hidden edges. So the edge which pass through this point like this is the hidden edge need to be shown in the top view. Similarly, the edge which pass through this point, this is also hidden edge like this hidden edge, and the third edge which pass through this point. This edge is throughout edge till the end of the object in the front view direction. So this is the edge which is not visible to the observer. This is the edge. So again in the top view also we have three different edges which are not visible directly. So need to be drawn with the hidden line or dotted line. Let's see the top view. So as I said, this particular portion is visible to the observer directly. So this portion right here, then the rectangle right here, these two small rectangles right here, and now I am to show the hidden edges. So hidden edges, so as I said, the edge which pass through this point is shown right here, then the edge which pass through this point is shown right here, and the edge which pass through this particular point is shown right here. So there are three edges which are not visible to the observer directly, so need to be shown by using dotted lines. Top view. Let's see how to draw the side view. So in the side view, the observer is located at the left side of the object. Now the surfaces which are shown in the blue color are visible to the observer. So this particular portion is visible to the observer. Then this rectangle is also visible to the observer. These front two rectangles are also visible to the observer. So there are four different surfaces which are directly visible to the observer. So while drawing that surface, we have to consider the edges of that surface and we have to show in our 2D drawing. Now let's see, is there any hidden edge present in the object while observer is located at left side of the object. So in the side view also there are hidden edges which passes through these 2 points. So through this point there will be edge which will be like this, and through this point there is a hidden edge which is like this. So there are 2 hidden edges. Similarly, there is an edge which passes through this point also, complete edge. So this edge is also not visible to the observer. So these edges need to be drawn in the side view by using hidden lines. So let's see the side view. So in the side view, this rectangle is shown right here, then this particular portion is shown right here, then the front 2 rectangles are shown right here, then the hidden edges which pass through this point as well as which pass through this point, both are shown right here. One is here and another one is right here. Now in the side view, if you observe the edge which pass through this point, so like this, now the middle portion of this edge is directly visible to the observer as there is a slot has been made in the object. So because of that, this particular edge and the middle portion should be shown by using continuous line as shown right here. Now let's see the orthographic projection. So need to draw the XY line. Above XY line there will be front view. Then below XY line there will be a top view, and on the right side of the front view there will be a side view. So this side view is the left hand side view, as we are looking towards the object from the left side of the object, and as per the first angle projection method we have to draw the left hand side view on the right side of the front view. In this video, we have seen how to identify the different views from the given object. Also, we have seen how to use the object lines and hidden lines. In next video, we will see some more problems related to the orthographic projection.